Tired of your favorite tools breaking and having to constantly craft new ones? Well, today, we're going to solve that problem by crafting an anvil. You'll need 3 blocks of iron, and for iron ingots first, let's make some iron blocks. Each iron block requires 9 iron ingots, so head to your crafting table and arrange them accordingly to create 1 block of iron. Repeat this 2 more times so that you have 3 iron blocks in total. Now that we have the materials, make sure you have those 3 iron blocks and the 4 iron ingots in your inventory, ready for crafting. Open your crafting table, place the 3 iron blocks in the top row, 1 iron ingot in the center square, and the remaining 3 iron ingots in the bottom row. This will craft your very own anvil. Place your anvil down, interact with it, and you can now repair your tools, rename items, and even combine enchantments. So get out there and start making the most out of your gear. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Minecraft tips and tricks.